Hey, this is Dr. Mike from Foothills Chiropractic. I'm going to give you a real quick chemistry lesson. And the chemistry that I'm talking about is your body chemistry. You see, every human activity is controlled and governed by body chemistry. Every level of human performance is controlled by body chemistry. That's why Major League Baseball players, a few years ago all took steroids. They chemically changed themselves so they could perform better. But every level of our human function is controlled by body chemistry. And everything that we control, everything that we produce chemically is controlled by the nerve system, because the nerves control all of our glands and all of our cells. And each cell we have in our body is like a little chemical factory. It's got to produce the right amount. So this is a real quick and easy explanation of what chiropractic is and why chiropractic works in the sense of how it affects your performance. So real quick, I'm just going to show you on this chart here. It's a big thing. It's a letter N, and it's really simple. See, you start down here, and again, every level, every area of human performance is controlled by body chemistry. Now, when you go up to the next step, to have the proper body chemistry, every gland in your body and every cell in your body must be producing the right amount and the right kinds of chemicals all the time. The nerve system is what controls every gland and every cell in your body. The nerve system is protected by bone. The bones of the spine, they are there to protect the spinal nerves and the spinal cord. What can happen is, because those bones are movable to allow us to move around, we can get a bone out of alignment, a bone out of place. It's called a subluxation. It just means bone out of place, irritating nerves, putting pressure and causing problems. So we have subluxation. Now look what happens. The subluxation causes the bone to press on the nerve. So then, instead of being in control, the nerve system, the control mechanism is messed up for every part of our body. If that happens, then your glands and your cells, they produce either too much or too little of the chemicals that you need. So then your body chemistry is off, and every level of your human performance is off when you don't have the right body chemistry. When we talk about why bad chemistry is not, why we shouldn't have bad chemistry, if a kid's in school one day and he decides to go out and maybe have a beer at lunch or maybe smoke pot at lunch, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Obviously it's a bad thing, but why is that? Because he's changed his body chemistry, so then when he's in school, he can't think clearly, he can't concentrate, he can't remember things, all because of body chemistry. So body chemistry is huge. If you're in sales, if you sell a car, what if someday your body chemistry's off and you're just not with it, and you're not there? Maybe you lose a sale here or there. Is that so now your income's affected by poor body chemistry? What if you're a pastor of a church, and what if your goal is to lead people to Christ and win souls, so to speak? Well, maybe you miss a couple, maybe you're off one Sunday, maybe your chemistry's thrown off. Well, maybe you're not losing sales, maybe you're losing people that could be going to heaven, and if you would just have good body chemistry. So body chemistry is huge. So let's continue. So down here, your body chemistry is off. So all your performance is off. Now, along comes a chiropractor and does a chiropractic adjustment. What that does is it puts the bone back into position, and it takes pressure off of the nerve. So now the nerve control is back to normal. So the nerve control to every cell and every gland is now back to normal. So you've got proper production of chemicals. The right quantities, the right kinds of chemicals are now being produced by your body. So you perform at 100%. Now, is everybody at 100%? Well, you're at 100% for you. You're the best you can be when your body chemistry is balanced. You're the best you can be when you're under regular chiropractic care. And there's no other way. See, chiropractic is not It's not an alternative. It's not an alternative medicine. See, anything that relates to medicine is symptoms. That's all. So chiropractic is not an alternative for anything, and there is no alternative for chiropractic. We're the only ones that can do what we do. We're the only ones that are trained to remove subluxations. We're the only ones that are trained to get your body working like this. So if this interests you, if performing at your best, no matter what area you need to perform better at, if that's interesting to you, then you need to get into regular chiropractic care today, immediately. Don't wait. Don't wait for the pain to get better. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. You need to get under care today, because if your chemistry screw up, then you're not at your best. There's no other way to look at it. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.